Today we're talking about something most people never think about when they take photos. Your outfit should determine your pose. Too many people pose the exact same way, whether they're wearing baggy streetwear, a suit, a casual outfit, or a formal dress. And that's why a lot of photos feel off. In this video, I'm breaking it down properly. We're going to split this into two worlds. Casual outfits, how to pose relaxed, natural, and effortless. Formal outfits, how to pose elegant, confident, and intentional. I'm giving you 3 core casual poses, 5 core formal poses, and I'll explain why each pose matches each style. By the end of this video, you'll never pose the same way in every outfit again. Let's get into it.
Hey everyone! So right now, I'm with the lovely Bladder, and today we're gonna be giving you pose ideas for women. So stay tuned so you can learn how to pose.
In this first image, you can immediately feel the vibe. Relaxed energy, natural body language, personality, comfort. The outfit is edgy, creative, street style. So the pose matches that. She's standing strong, feet slightly apart, hands behind the back, chin lifted. This pose works because casual outfits allow more attitude. Notice these details. The weight is shifted to one leg, the shoulders are relaxed. The body isn't overly posed, the expression matches the outfit.
When you're wearing street style outfits or outfits that are more creative,
Your pose can be a bit more expressive.
you don't need elegance here, you need presence. As you can see, this pose says, I am comfortable in my skin, and this is exactly what we need for casual outfits.
Pose number 2, the playful street pose. Now look at this second casual pose, completely different mood. Here the outfit is fun, colorful, and youthful. So the pose becomes playful. Instead of standing straight, she's using angled arms, movement, shape, creativity. This is the big lesson. Casual outfits allow you to experiment. You can cross arms, point, create angles, have fun with hands.
In formal outfits, this would look out of place. But when it comes to casual outfits, this looks perfect. Your pose should always respect the personality of the clothes. Fun outfits equals fun pose.
Pose number 3, the relaxed lean. This third casual pose is one of the easiest poses anyone can do. The relaxed lean. She's leaning against a wall, one leg crossed, hands up casually. This works beautifully for casual looks because casual outfits equals casual body language. You don't need perfection, you don't need symmetry, you don't need stiffness. The environment helps the pose. The wall becomes part of the photo.
This is ideal for street style photos, lifestyle content, and even travel photos. If you're dressed casual and you don't know what to do, lean. It instantly makes you feel natural. If you like videos like this, feel free to check out my posing guide, which will take your photos to the next level. Link is in the description. What I share on YouTube is the foundation, but on my guide, I go into details about body confidence, body angles, etc. that will take your photos to a whole nother level. So those are your 3 casual poses. Notice the pattern. Casual posing is about comfort, movement, personality, relaxed energy. Now we're about to switch worlds completely. Now on to part 2, formal, elegant posing. Everything changes now. Formal outfits require a completely different mindset. Whether you're wearing dresses, heels, elegant clothing, your pose must be a bit more elegant, a bit more intentional. Let's break down the next 5 poses.
Pose number 4, the elegant hand on hip. This is classic formal posing. One hand on the hip, body slightly angled. This pose works perfectly with elegant outfits because it creates shape. Formal clothing is designed to highlight waist, posture, silhouette. So your pose must help that. Key details: chin up, shoulders back, weight on one leg, arm creating a clean line. You would never use a playful casual pose here. This outfit demands elegance, so the pose respects the outfit. Pose 5. This is the formal version of leaning. In casual outfits, leaning is relaxed. In formal outfits, leaning becomes intentional. Notice in this image, she's leaning but still looking powerful. The difference is posture. Back straight, arms positioned elegantly, body controlled, expression calm. This is perfect for formal events, dresses, smart outfits, editorial looks. It says, I'm relaxed but still elegant. Pose number 6, the city walk, confident, formal. Now we move to movement. Walking poses are amazing for formal outfits. Why? Because formal clothes look best in motion. Notice long, confident stride, straight posture, calm face, controlled arms. This is very different from casual walking. Casual walking is loose, formal walking is graceful. If you're wearing heels, a suit, a structured dress, this pose is gold. Pose number 7, the power stance. This is the boss pose. Hands on hips, feet planted, eyes forward. This is for strong, formal outfits. Suits, blazers, structured looks. When your outfit is powerful, your pose must match it. No playful angles, no casual leaning, just confidence. This pose works because formal outfits demand authority, and this pose delivers exactly that. Pose number 8, the editorial walk. This final pose is pure elegance. Walking directly toward the camera, clean, minimal, confident. This is perfect for high fashion looks, evening wear, elegant dresses, formal campaigns. Everything is controlled. Posture, steps, expression, hand placement. This is the complete opposite of casual posing, and that's the whole lesson of this video.
The lesson we have here, guys, is your pose must respect your outfit. Casual outfits equals relaxed pose. Formal outfits equals structured poses. If you mix them up, the pose looks wrong. That's why sometimes your photos won't look good. It's not because of the camera, it's not because of your face, it's because sometimes the outfits you wear does not match up to the pose. So guys, there you have it. That's all the poses. Like I've shown you before, I showed you 3 core poses when you're wearing casual, more cosplay looking outfits. And then I've shown you an additional 5 poses for when you want to look formal and elegant. Feel free to check out the other videos I have. I have poses for men, poses for women, poses for couples, poses for even weddings, etc. Always remember, it's already a no if you don't try. Now I'm going to give you a summary of all 8 poses so then you can practice whenever you're out and about, depending on how you're dressed. Stay blessed.